We at Grand Shores Resort are very proud and excited about sharing how we are making our guests' experience safer while delivering peace of mind. As the leader in Myrtle Beach oceanfront vacations, we have taken extra steps in cleaning, education, and procedures to ensure that our guests are the happiest, relaxed, and informed on the entire Grand Strand. Here's just a few measures we've instituted. It all starts with check-in. Masks and social distancing are encouraged for our lobby, common areas, elevators, and restaurants. There is frequent sanitizing of high-touch areas throughout the property daily. Our cleaning staff only uses CDC-approved materials. Each room is thoroughly cleaned, disinfected, and prepared especially for you. We attend to every detail, ensuring that you'll be able to begin your vacation with confidence. It is very important to us that our guests are able to relax and enjoy themselves with no worries. Our guest safety and experience is our number one priority, and we take our roles in providing the best Myrtle Beach vacation very seriously and with great pride. It is truly an honor and privilege to be part of your next vacation, and we look forward to seeing you soon.